right, all you wonderful painters out there, welcome to Splat and Chat. We're gonna paint today. Are we excited? I'm excited. Okay, so I want to show you something. This is my big painting of lilacs. See how big that is? Beautiful flowers, but I'm gonna only paint with you today this last vase. Okay? Because it's quicker. And you don't have to watch me forever. You know what I'm saying? Colors we're going to want for these lilacs is obviously a purple, but you only need one purple. Weird, right? A red, a blue. You're thinking red and blue? What the heck? Black, white, teal, blue color, light sea green, blue color. And 2 shades of green, a lighter and a darker green. Okay. Normal 3 sizes of brushes, big, medium, and a teeny. But this time I want you to get one that you really don't care about. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, you guys, this is a stipple brush. You can use one of these, which is, it just means it's a brush that you pat like this instead of brush. If you have one of those, great, use it. If not, go to your bucket of crappy kid brushes, right? I know you guys have as many as I do. These are the brushes that my kids use. And you know what the kids do to things. Get one like this that you just don't, it's all spread out on the top. It looks like crap. Look at this brush. Right? Your bright blue teal color, okay? Make sure that's in focus. Put that on your palette. And get your biggest brush wet and dry it off a little bit. Come in with your blue. And we are going to stroke that on our canvas back and forth all over the place. Get it wet. Wet helps that paint to slide around. And I'm doing it on an angle just to give it some different, just to give it some variety. Variety is the spice of life. Throw in there. Crumble it up. And then kind of dab it in spots. Kind of gives it a cool dab around. I didn't do that in my original, but I think it looks cool. Plus that it dries it a little bit better. And your paper towel turns out pretty. You can wear that for an earring. Alright. Alright, you guys. I'm going to bring you in close so I can show you this jar that we're going to paint. So you're going to make it kind of come down a little bit lower than halfway down. And you're going to paint this kind of little oval scoop. Okay. Kind of hard to see. Then you're going to paint these little lip to this oval. And another little line like that that connects it. Then we're going to paint whatever shape you want for this jar to be. It could be straight. This one has a little bit of hip on it. I'm going to lower you down a little bit so you can see this. There you go. And give it a little bottom. Okay, just like that. There's our cute little jar shape. We're going to give it a water line, which is another oval inside of it. That's the water line. Okay. Now we are going to make our lilacs. Okay, so that's where you get the crappy brush and your dark purple, or this purple color. Okay, a kind of a medium purple color brush that we just don't care about anymore. This one's dry. I didn't wet it down at all. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of create one lilac going this way, one lilac kind of going this way. And you can do any kind of funny shape. So we're just going to kind of go like this, and it just kind of gets smaller as it goes up. Okay, it kind of makes a cone shape. And it's just that brush making those cool little shapes on your palette or on your canvas. There's one shape, and then we're going to go over here and do another one that kind of curves around. Just gets a little bit more triangular shape to the bottom. All right, easy enough. Okay, we're going to take a little bit of black, a little bit of white, a little bit of blue and red. So get those all onto your palette. Black, white, blue, and red. Okay, take a little bit of black and go up just this side of your lilac in black. Okay, I still have purple on my brush a little bit. If it's too dark of black, add some purple into it. Okay, and take the black all the way up to the edge, just like you did before. Okay, just one side of it. Same thing on the side. Let the colors mix, because that's totally gonna look cool with those colors mixed together. Okay. That darker blackish purple on the one side. Throw a little bit more purple on top of it, a little bit in here and there. Okay. Bring that purple up. Most of your black needs to be on that side. Okay. Rinse out your brush with the black and the purple. This is your crappy brush again. Remember the one that's all split at the top. Then get a little bit of white. And you're going to go on the opposite side with the white. And let it mix into your purples. Look at that. Who loves lilacs? I think lilacs are the best smelling flower that ever existed. I don't know. I love roses, but they don't smell as good as lilacs. Lilacs are the best. And the same thing on this one. A little bit of light on this side. And you can kind of take it out in bumps here and there. Okay. See how that's a good bump coming out. Flowers are never perfect. You don't want perfection in a flower. So just... I have little tiny lilac bushes in my house, but deer keep eating them, and so they don't survive very well. And they're one of my favorites. I just wish that the deer would leave them alone. You know, as cute as nice as deer are, they could eat something else. You know, that's all I have to say. Just eat something else. Rinse out. Actually, go to somebody else's yard and eat something else. Or up the mountain, for heaven's sakes. There's a whole mountain full of shit. Sagebrush. Isn't sagebrush good? I think it's... Anyway, wait, get a little bit of blue. I know it sounds really random, but you're going to put a little bit of blue right through the middle in places. Okay? Right through the middle. For heaven's sakes, red and blue make purple. So you have to have a little bit of red and blue. Right? Look how cool that is. And then a little bit of red. Just a touch, smidge. When you really see this picture, you don't see the red. You see the purple. So red is just here and there. But it's like the sun glare right off in places that you want it to be. Okay, it's just a little touch of red in there. Some bigger clumps here and there. And guess what? If you did a little too much, add a little purple and cover up that red a little bit. But I love those reds. They gotta add the reds and the blues in there. That's your lilacs, right? 2 colors of green, a light and a dark. Get a little brush, a little flat brush, the real good one. Put a little bit of light green on there. We are going to make some stems. Bring your stem right down into your water. Like that. And see how it breaks? That's totally cool. Don't worry about it being perfect. Broken is cool. And then it breaks down in that one like that. We're going to put a little leaf that comes out from that one, like that. And a little leaf that comes off of this one, this way. That. Okay, so we need to make the leaves. I always just put a point, make it kind of more round at the end. That's my leaf. Fill it in. Okay. And kind of make your leaves at different angles. You know, it'd be nice to change them up a little bit. Take that little bit of dark green and just bring your skinny paintbrush in and draw that line that goes down the leaf right back in there again. Okay. That. So you can see it a little bit better. And then you're going to take your skinny brush and add a little bit of white to your paintbrush. And come and cover up the places that the stem would not be in front of. So example, your plants are going down in the vase, so you'll cover up those front pieces with white again, so it looks like they're sitting down in your vase. This back line don't cover because that's the back of your water line, but the front line you cover with the white again. And that is that. I don't think there's anything else. Isn't that beautiful? Besides your signature. Put your signature on that bad boy. Call it good. See how fun that turned out? That was really cute. It's just a piece or section of this figure painting. But look how fun and spring-like that is. Big version, little version. Go crazy if you loved it. Have fun. Smell good? No. It smells like paint. Yeah. My husband teases me. He smells, if something smells yucky, I smell it. And then I'll smell it again. And then I'll smell it again. I'm like, oh, that's gross. Oh, that's really stinky. Ooh, like, I don't know. Do anybody else do that? I don't know where I come from. They don't smell very good, but they look really good. And I can't wait for the real ones to come out to smell really, 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 really good for us. Comment, like, share, subscribe, whatever you do on these things. And, you know, talk to me, comment to me. Let me know what you want to see. You know, show me some love. You know, show me some love. Look at these lilacs. Don't they smell pretty? Lilacs. Ooh,